Hey, you really had to pay close attention when reading this one to find out what they were asking for. So this is a histogram of miles per gallon. That would be city and highway miles per gallon. Then what they do is they break that up into the miles per gallon that each car out of the, I think there were 54 cars entered, that they give the miles per gallon for just the city. And the question down here is, so what is the highway mileage for those cars? So city miles per gallon plus the highway miles per gallon would give us the total miles per gallon. So it's a little backwards there, a little confusing to understand. It tells us what to make the class boundaries, so put those in, 16.5 to 20.5, then 20.5 to 24.5, 24.5, then to 28.5, and so forth. So put those in. Now remember, this is the highway miles per gallon. So let's go look at the 16.5 to 20.5 miles per gallon. 16.5 to 20.5, there were 7 cars total that fell within there for both city and highway. And if we subtract off the 5 cars that had the city miles per gallon, that would leave us just 2 cars for the highway miles per gallon, which is what's going here. So from 16.5 to 20.5, it's 7 cars total, minus the 5 for the city miles per gallon, gives us 2. Then let's go look at 20.5 to 24.5. 20.5 to 24.5, there were 4 cars total. Subtract off the city, which is 1, so 4 minus 1 leaves you 3, is the number of cars for the highway mileages of those same cars. So I hope that helps. Thanks for asking.